Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys cannot see my face, but yes, guys. Today is the summertime tier tray collaboration, guys. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living. I cannot pronounce the name, but I'm going to spell it out. I believe it's called the Creole Crafter. That is the CREOLE Crafter. Albidol, IB, and then DOLLED, Bidol. Sandins Home and Gardens, Asu Glam Style, Joyful Decor by Denise, Debbie Bubbles, and May's Design Corner. Those are the hosts, guys. So as you guys can see, let me turn you guys down. I have my tier tray here in my coffee table. Ooh, excuse me, with my Lazy Susan. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to polish my table. I'm going to put my tier tray here. And I'm going to try to bring you guys two different styles. I'm not even going to say what I'm going to do. You guys going to follow along and you guys are going to see. Guys, I really don't know where I'm going with it, but let's get to it. So right now what I'm going to do, let me move the tripod a little bit. What I'm going to do is take everything out of the coffee table. Let me move you guys back a little bit this way. Hi guys. Okay, there. And then we're going to move on from there, guys. That's what I'm going to do. Let me adjust my tripod. All right, guys, so let's do that. Of course, we gotta start with a clean surface because everything gets full of dust. So no matter how much you clean, dust is always everywhere. Guys, now that I'm here and recording for this collaboration, remember guys, check out Anna's community tab. We also have Decorate the Lantern coming up, and we have the Living the Outside Life, or living out space, something like that, and also the wood serving tray. Check out the community tab for those three collaborations coming up. You don't want to miss them, guys. All right, so here is my tier tray. So I have racks in here, and I also got more racks which I did bought at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using racks. So yeah, guys, I do have this here which I will be removing. I usually keep these. So for now, I will put this on the side, see if I don't need them, but I want to put more stones in here. So let's do that, and then I'm going to bring you guys back. All right, guys, I already put my stones. So on the top, I want to start with one of my little fairy houses. And right next to it, I will be placing my water well. Like so. And you get these stones, guys, from the Dollar Tree. That's where I got them. So, of course, you want to move stuff around a little bit. So, yeah. So, since it's a summer tray, I don't want to use greenery. I figure I do stones because I want to do something different. So let's move this back a little bit. There it is. Also, I'm done. I will be placing one of my fairy. They came with the little houses. So I will place this one there. And also I will place a little umbrella, and these are the little cocktail umbrellas that you guys get from the Dollar Tree. So I want to place one in here as well. So we're going to leave it like so. All right, guys, so there it is. Now on the bottom, this one is going to be most likely a fairy display. So, and also I will be using, of course, some flowers and, you know, all the little things. Okay. Let me see if I can add some flowers. This side. All right, guys, let me complete the top and then we're gonna continue move on to the second layer. You guys can see I have one here, guys. I have this one already on my stash. I didn't purchase anything. I already have all of this, so I just use some. I think this is my second or third time that I use these. So I will place, since I already have one house here, I want to turn the tier tray and place the other one down here. And of course, these ones are bigger. This fairy garden, mini fairy gardens, I got this from Family Dollar or Dollar General. I think it was Dollar General. So I'm gonna place her. This is the fairy garden sign, so I will place this over here. And then of course I got a bucket of flowers, so I will place this somewhere over here because there's flowers around. So I will place her over here like she's working on collecting flowers. So, and here's the little bucket. I will place it right there. And you guys, simple. I'm just doing it simple. I'm not gonna stress myself over it. Add some greenery. Yep. Add some more greenery on this side. Let me move this is succulent. That was the only thing that I was going to purchase, but I completely forgot. But I do have succulent, but I just got to put away. All right, that is my second layer. I don't know if you guys can see from up there. But yeah, guys. Then at the bottom, I'm going to add this lantern. I don't know if you guys see it, is on. See, look, see? So I will place this one. Hopefully it fit on the heat. Oh, it don't fit, guys. It does not fit. Oh, so I'm gonna have to work on it and probably put it on the top. Or maybe this one will fit. Yeah. I'm gonna put this one down here. And maybe I'll put this one on the top somewhere. But for now, let's leave it on the side. Okay. Let me grab my other fairy garden. So you know what? I'm gonna put this on the side for now, so I'm not to take too much time. And this is the other one that I have. All right. Now I got one house there, one there. So I have the lantern here. So let's move this lantern. Maybe I'll put this little house to the side. Okay. I will place the lantern over here. I still gotta find one of those little lights to put in here. Okay, that's that. And then thing was have like a little bird bath. So I will add the bird bath here next to the house. And the fairy I will place it over here like she's enjoying the light coming out of the lantern once I put the light in there. And then the sign that says fairy garden. So I will place this sign over here. Yep. Get that out of the way. Now you know how it is. Let's fill it up with some greenery. I'm gonna shop my house, look for flowers to put in there. So give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. This is my first tier tray. There you got it. It's a fairy tier tray, fairy garden tier tray, or a garden tier tray. It's simple, but one more than the summertime. Guys, I forgot to put my little light inside the lantern. So let me do that for you. Hold on. All right, guys, I put a tea light candle in there. It's one of those electric candles from the Dollar Tree, as you guys can see. And this is what my last layer on the bottom looks. I hope you guys like it. I think it's so cute. Now, guys, let's do a different style. Let's do a farmhouse style. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, a farmhouse. All right, guys. For my second tier tray, I will be using some of my roosters. Let me turn on my light. And guys, if you hear barking, my dog is barking out the window. So here I'm going to be using this beautiful rooster. I will put this one right at the top. So like so. I love my rooster, guys. You could call it farmhouse, you could call it however you want. And then I have a smaller one, this one. And guys, be advised that all of these roosters are thrifted, as you guys can see. I usually pay half price for my thrifted items. I never pay full price. So I will be placing this one here on the lower shelf of my tier tray. And I'm going to be mixing also maybe birds and stuff like that here, because like I said, it's the summer tier tray. So there you go. There you have it. Then this one is a little trinket box. Well, actually, it's not a trinket box. She carries measuring spoons, but it was sent to me by one of my YouTube friends. So I stuck some flowers in there for feathers, so I'm going to leave them like that. I will be placing her way back here on the bottom. Yep, way back here on the bottom. Like so. All right. And then this is a salt and pepper shaker. Well, it's a pepper or salt. I don't know which one it is. I only got one, and this was sent to me. I've been keeping my eyes open for see if I can find another one, but so far I have no luck. So I will place this one here on the second shelf as well and put it in there. All right, guys, let's see. And then I have this one is a hen, not a rooster. You could tell that this one is a hen. It doesn't have the big thing, or is it a rooster? I don't know. I think it's a rooster. I don't know. Well, whatever it is, I will be placing it here on the bottom. All right. And I don't think I have any luck with this one. So we're gonna make it work. We're gonna place it right there. And on the bottom, since I don't have any more roosters, I don't think I do, I'm going to use a little quail. This is a little quail. I don't know what this is from. I think this was from the Dollar Tree. I really don't know. I thrifted this long time ago. So I will place it here on the bottom. Or maybe I place it here on the top. So like that, the rooster don't be alone. All right, guys. So I'm also going to add some of my little vintage birds that I have. So I will place this here. So basically, I guess this one is just a bird tier tray. And of course, we're going to use my beautiful birds that look so real. I'm also going to be placing this one as well, wherever I can fit them. So here as well. And actually, guys, I think I'm going to leave this one up. I think I'm going to be leaving this one up because I love the birds. I really do love the birds. So let me add my lantern. I'm going to be putting it here. So maybe little lantern there. And I'm going to move the birds a little bit this way, and I will add this one here. All right, guys. Let me add some flowers and greenery. And then I'm going to bring you guys back. All right, let me add all these little flowers and greenery. All right, guys, my second tier tray is done. This is what it looks like. This is my rooster with the quail on the top. I left the stones on it, guys. I just added the greenery again. On the second shelf, we have the little lantern with some flowers and the other roosters. And of course, we had to sneak our birds in there. And we also have a succulent and my other rooster. Now, on the bottom, we have a vintage little bird and mommy. And also we have this one with the flowers on the tail. And of course, my owl. I love my owl, guys. I found him on the side of the road and I rescued him. And then here is my other either hen or rooster, however you want to see it, and one of my little birds, guys. And there you have it. So I have it sitting here on my table, coffee table. So I'm going to leave it there for now, guys. Let me leave it like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.